locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Whitewater, Maryland Point, Nanjemoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Leesylvania State Park, Quantico, Fort Washington, Swan Point, Gunston Hall, Mathis Point, United States. 3019 Memorial Bridge, Mason Neck State Park, Indian Head, Occoquan Bay, Popes Creek, Brent Point, Smallwood State Park, Fairview Beach and Fort Hunt. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.